Hello dear friends! In this video I will show you how to easily make yogurt at home without a yogurt maker. For this we will need milk, yogurt with live cultures, a cast iron pot and a wooden spatula for stirring. If your milk is not pasteurized, heat it to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. If it is pasteurized, you can skip this step. Once the milk reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit, turn off the heat and let it cool down to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. If your milk is already pasteurized, simply heat it to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using yogurt that I made previously. If this is your first time, use yogurt with live cultures. After that, you can use your own homemade yogurt. In a separate container, add a few spoonfuls of yogurt, pour in a little milk, and mix thoroughly until smooth. Pour this mixture into the pot with milk and stir well. Cover the pot with a lid, wrap it tightly in a blanket or towel, and leave it for about 6 hours or preferably overnight. My yogurt rested overnight, and this is how thick it turned out. Now I pour it into glass jars. You can use any containers you have. Or you can leave it in the pot and use it as needed. Store the yogurt in the refrigerator. After cooling, it will become even thicker. You can serve yogurt with fruit, add syrups like maple or agave, or use preserves or jam. Enjoy cooking! See you again, friends!